Do you want to upgrade and enhance your financial and analytical skills? Are you aspiring to be future ready for accountancy careers in the 2020s? Do you wish to steer your career to the top 10 job roles globally? Welcome to Financial Modeling and Analysis Training course. Financial models and dashboards simulate the impact of variables for fast business decision making. As our attention span is limited, data visualization tools help make business decisions more reliable and convenient. In simple terms, financial model is an analytical tool that helps an organization forecast its financial performance effectively and accurately. By the end of this course, you will be able to construct financial models using Power Query through MS Excel, create visually effective dashboards, analyze dashboards to gain business insights, develop effective business communication and presentation skills. For instance, applying analytical tools to build dynamic dashboards such as these, it is must to first learn in a structured course. Our expert tutor will ensure you're well prepared to create dashboards like these. But hold on, there is more to it. We also offer LinkedIn profile sessions to help you build your online professional network and also include guest speaker sessions from freelancers to promote entrepreneurship. In order to take this course successfully, you will need basic working knowledge of accounting and MS Excel. Each lesson is very dynamic and we will require your commitment to finish this course. So let's sum up why this course is right for you. By taking this course, you will upgrade your technical skills by learning and applying on how to build solid financial models and dashboards. Enhance your communication skills to deliver presentations with impact. Boost your LinkedIn profile to connect with online career opportunities. At the completion of this course, you will get a certificate from Skill Development Council Karachi, a project of Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training, Government of Pakistan. To register for a free demonstration, please contact us via the below details.